Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Tuesday, August 11th, 2026, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mixed today. The S&P 500 index slipped to 7,727.41, down 25.70, its second straight decline. The Dow 30 index fell 184.13 to 53,791.85, and the Nasdaq Composite Index dropped 159.91 to 26,445.45. The S&P 400 MidCap Index and Russell 2000 Index bucked the trend, both closing higher. Market breadth told a more positive story than the headline declines. The S&P 500 Index saw 269 advancers against 216 decliners, and the Russell 2000 Index showed a strong tilt with 1,069 advancers to just 691 decliners. The Nasdaq Composite Index also leaned positive, outpacing decliners by over 400 names. Looking at longer-term returns, the Russell 2000 Index leads year-to-date with a gain near 22%, followed by the S&P 400 MidCap Index, up over 17%. The Nasdaq Composite Index, S&P 500 Index, and Dow 30 Index all show gains in the 12 to 14% range, though all five indexes are slightly negative for the week. Turning to sectors, utilities led gainers today, closing up 1.1% despite an ongoing strong downward trend. Energy followed closely, rising for a second straight day amid some intraday volatility. Industrials also advanced, while financial services and basic materials were roughly flat, hovering near break-even. On the downside, communication services was the day's weakest sector, falling 2.1% as its strong downward trend continued. Real estate declined for a second straight session amid recent volatility, while consumer cyclical, technology, and healthcare posted smaller losses, still holding their longer-term uptrends. Global markets were broadly higher today. South Korea led gains, jumping 2.5%, while Singapore rose 2.2% to a new all-time closing high amid strong volatility. Taiwan climbed 1.7%, breaking out of a three-day sideways pattern, and Netherlands and Poland also advanced, with Poland notching its own fresh all-time high. Looking at year-to-date performance, South Korea stands out with a gain near 72%, while Taiwan follows with almost 64%. Poland, Netherlands, and Singapore have all posted solid year-to-date returns in the 21 to 26% range, rounding out a strong year for these global markets. Tech stocks were mostly lower. Alphabet fell 3.6% to 343, and Amazon dropped 2% to 272.27, though its trend remains strongly positive. Apple and Nvidia both closed lower for a second day, while Meta Platforms gained for a fifth straight session despite a weakening trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 63,640.15, down 271.73, sliding for a third straight day in a very strong negative trend. Ethereum sits at 1,879.31, up 7.87. BNB jumped 2.2% to 612.23, breaking out upward after 3 flat days, while Dogecoin surged 3.2% to 0.0719, snapping 17 days of sideways action. Looking at returns, Bitcoin is down about 1.9% week to date, but still holding a 1.3% gain month to date, though it's off nearly 27% year to date. BNB and Dogecoin both show stronger monthly returns near 4%, though each remains down close to 29% and 39% respectively for the year, similar to Ethereum and Solana.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is mixed against major peers. It's edged higher on the euro, pound, yen and Swiss franc, but has slipped against the Aussie dollar. Longer term, the dollar shows a strong negative trend versus both the pound and Aussie, while consolidation persists against the euro and Aussie.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.